If you're ever stopped at a railroad crossing to let a train pass through, take that waiting time to imagine what's inside each of the train cars. Maybe it's coal or grain. And when that train passes all the way by, try to see a special device attached to the last car. It's called an end-of-train device. That little piece of equipment actually replaced a big part of railroad history. This is the caboose. It used to be the last car in a train. For 150 years, this is where the crew would ride and keep an eye out for any trouble, like dragging equipment or overheating train parts. The caboose was also a place for the conductor to do office work, eat meals, and even sleep. It could be a home away from home. But as technology advanced, the caboose car proved to be too expensive. Right before the caboose was phased out in the 1980s, it could cost $80,000 to make one. But it only cost $4,000 for an end-of-train device. That was a big difference. The end-of-train device uses technology to send data about the brake pressure and other train parts up to the crew in the locomotive, which is at the front of the train. It has a flashing red taillight too. So basically, the jobs that the train workers used to do while aboard the caboose could all be done with technology instead. The caboose was often seen as the friendliest train car because the conductor and crew would wave at passers-by as they went through town. It's a piece of railroad history that's fondly remembered. And you can still wave at trains. There's usually two people on a freight train, a conductor and an engineer. And I bet one of them will wave back at you.
Funding for Find Iowa has been provided by the following supporters: